Some things in life are just made to go together. Peanut butter and jelly, rock and roll, the sun and the moon. These things got Blake Sanders, the owner of KS Services, thinking, what can we pair with our superior heating and air service to make our customers even happier? Plumbing Experts by KS Services was born. So the next time you have a clogged line, leaky faucet, or water running all through the house, know there's a reputable company out there on call just a click away. Call KS.com, your trusted source for heating and cooling and now plumbing.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition for Tuesday, the 12th of March. I'm James Spann. The weather looking nice across the state today and tomorrow. Then a cold front coming in late Thursday. That will bring the chance of strong, maybe severe storms. And then we turn colder for the weekend. Here we go. Big upper low just southwest of San Diego this morning. That feature is going to be lifting out, producing a very deep surface low across the Great Plains over the next 36 hours. But around here, things are quiet, nice and cool this morning, mostly 40s on the board. But a nice warm-up today. High should be in the low 70s this afternoon. Up north, still cold, and we're going to turn pretty chilly for the weekend. We're expecting lows well down in the 30s by both Saturday and Sunday morning. In fact, many spots could see a freeze, the colder pockets over the weekend. Be aware of that. In advance of our new storm, it's going to be windy and snowy for parts of the middle of the country. Blizzard warnings, parts of Colorado, Nebraska, South Dakota. Winter storm watch from Denver up into the northwest part of Minnesota. And a lot of wind for the plains. We'll see very strong winds, maybe gusting to hurricane force in spots. Parts of Kansas, Nebraska, down into western Oklahoma with that very intense surface low. But for us, things are quiet. Severe weather risk for today. We have an enhanced risk for parts of West Texas as the new system forms. Tomorrow, a risk of severe storms in a broad zone from Lake Charles and Houston up to Little Rock, Memphis, and the southern tip of Illinois. And all of a sudden, on day 3, SPC has introduced a risk of severe storms from near Baton Rouge up to Indianapolis. In Alabama Thursday, we have the standard slight risk, level 2 out of 5, for areas west of a line from near Huntsville to Birmingham to Linden. The area is in yellow. And a marginal risk as far east as Gadsden, Prattville, and Jackson. And we'll talk about the setup here in just a second. This is the precipitation for the next 7 days. A lot for the Great Plains. Some of that's going to be snow in the cold sector. And down here, rain amounts about 1 inch for the north, under 1/2 inch for the southeast. And all of this will be Thursday, and that's really the good thing of the next 7 days. Just 1 day with rain, that's Thursday. So model fans, let's go. Here's the GFS. This is the 06C run at noon today. Very deep upper low that's located just southwest of Phoenix. We've got ridging here. And for us, a mostly sunny day with low 70s and messy back in the southwest, and showers begin to break out across the Great Plains. Now, tomorrow, look at this thing. This is a 972 millibar low. That's remarkable. This could set record low pressure levels for cities like Goodland, Kansas. And back in the cold air, blizzard conditions raging for parts of Colorado, Wyoming, Nebraska, South Dakota. In advance of the dry line should be along Interstate 35, the chance of strong to severe storms on Wednesday. But in Alabama Wednesday, dry, very mild. Highs up in the 70s. Thursday, the surface low is north of Kansas City, a little farther south than recent runs. And again, we'll have a batch of showers and storms coming in here, most likely Thursday afternoon, Thursday night. The main issue for us, it's instability. If we wind up with a lot of rain Thursday morning, that will probably squelch any chance of severe storms. But if the air can destabilize, the storms could be severe. So it's somewhat of a conditional threat. This is the STP, the significant tornado parameter, valid at 7 o'clock Thursday evening, and the numbers are a little higher over northwest Alabama, 1 to 2 units there. But the main issue, most likely with a setup like this, would be from strong gusty winds, maybe some small hail, and kind of a low-end tornado threat, especially for northwest Alabama. And the big window, I'd say, in terms of timing, noon to midnight, most likely late afternoon and evening. That'll be the core threat. So just something to watch. And then Friday, rain should end during the morning. The sky becoming partly sunny by afternoon. We turn cooler with a high in the 60s. Saturday as the weekend begins. We start the day well down in the 30s. The latest GFS showing 34 at Birmingham. A sunny day, the high only in the upper 50s. So a cool, dry day, but no storms to deal with for a change. And Sunday morning, again, will be down in the low to mid-30s. The colder pockets will see a freeze, a good chance of frost for many places, and the high Sunday close to 60, but the sky will be sunny. Let's go to Monday. We're still dry and pleasant, highs in the 60s. And a week from today, Tuesday the 19th, troughing coming through. That'll spin up a low mainly east of here. And for now, it looks like the chance of rain will be relatively small. In fact, really most of next week looks dry. Let's go out to Thursday of next week, the 21st, troughing to the east of here. And again, that looks dry. Here are the numbers, 70s for the next few days, but look at the drop for the weekend with lows well down in the 30s. And then for next week, highs mostly in the 60s. And again, the good news in terms of precipitation, just one day with rain for the next 7 days, and that's Thursday. And that's not bad. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. You can catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Never wait for hot water again with a tankless water heater from Plumbing Experts. Tankless water heaters are easy, convenient, and now more affordable with a no-interest financing for up to 18 months. Stop with the cold showers and wasted water and call Plumbing Experts today.